What is ClicBot? ClicBot is your new best friend. It is a buildable robot with a personality. Did I say robot? I meant a car or puppy. Actually, it can be whatever you want. You'll never be bored with your new companion. ClicBot has an affectionate personality, and it will play with you. ClicBot's modular design allows you to build anything you can imagine, or choose from thousands of existing configurations created by other users in the ClicBot app. ClicBot can climb, play games, and even work out with you. ClicBot is your perfect companion for creative education. Learning STEM has never been this fun for all ages. Learn code by dragging and dropping the blocks in the Blockly program, and gradually grow to be a more advanced coder. Train critical thinking skills and make your ideas real with ClicBot. ClicBot's cute personality and multifunctionality will make ClicBot a member of your family in no time. No matter your age, ClicBot is a friend to play and learn with. We hope you share the passion and excitement we had creating this with you.